here for the women, for the girls in ICT. We are celebrating the ladies in ICT today, and it's such a pleasure for us to be here to recognize and also appreciate that there are actually ladies that are taking up the courses. We need to create that balance, and for us to create that balance, we need to try and create equal opportunities for the same. That's why we try to come even to the level of universities to try and reach out to these girls and encourage them so that they can get to the levels that most of us have gotten to.
Of these courses, engineering, gone are the days where some courses were meant maybe to be for boys and not girls. So what boys can do, girls can. And for me, what I tell young girls and also young women scientists is that it's doable. There are many opportunities. You don't need even an affirmative action. You can actually do it on your own merit. You can make it with your own intelligence, and there is a space for the young girls in this sector. So right now, actually, what we are producing as universities are holistic graduates who can be job creators.
That's why we create forums like this, so that we can empower, mentor girls to pursue such STEM courses. So currently, I am going to China to represent Kenya in the Huawei ICT competition. So such opportunities come when you decide to discover courses in STEM and try as much as possible to follow your path and do the necessary.